Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to take my 2002 Lexus SC430 with 148,000 miles that I bought last week to the repair shop. We're going to go through it and see what it needs. And did Lexus actually screw over the previous owner on a repair job that they say they did? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike the Baldadonis and I buy and sell cars as a hobby, and I bring you guys along with me showing you the pros and cons of each vehicle I buy. I also do travel videos throughout New England and I talk about my life experiences. So last week I bought this 2002 Lexus SC430 in this stunning color combination. It is beautiful to look at. And with 148,000 miles, I am the 8th owner. Why would I buy a car that had 7 previous owners? Well, if you live in New England or you're just looking for a toy, that's what happens with these type of vehicles. It's a convertible, it's more of a toy versus a daily driver, and that's what happens. They pass hands and new owners, and that's the way it is. So if you're looking at vehicles and you're like, oh my God, this Porsche, this BMW had so many owners. Well, as long as it was well maintained, then don't worry about it. This car happened to be from Florida. That was a plus. The second thing was, it was well maintained throughout Lexus dealerships most of its life. The third thing is obviously the color combination. We're gonna take it to the shop because last week I had some concerns. I haven't driven an SC430 since my last one 4 years ago, and you know, I'm used to BMWs. So when I was driving the car, I was like noticing, is the steering a little loose? The suspension a little too loose as well? Just, you know, let's take it to the shop and see what it needs. I see oil.
Pan is fitting above the pan right here.
Okay.
Let's get a little leak. Got some leaks on the lines going to said transmission as well.
as you can see, we got an oil change. It did have some oil leaks in the oil pan. We're going to talk about that in a second. The brakes look really good. This steering that I was concerned about is fine. It does have a little bounce with the shocks, but it's still past state inspection. I'm also on the border of what I should do, because when we did the oil change, the gentleman that I bought the car from, and one of the reasons why I actually bought the car, he said that Lexus fixed the oil pan gasket. They did motor mounts. They also did a control arm, and I think they did a front end alignment. They charge them, all the money, $2,300 at least. And I messaged him saying, hey, Lexus didn't fix this problem. And he was all upset. He was like, well, they charged me for it, this and that. And I'm like, okay. I'm right down the street from Lexus, so I'm gonna take a drive by and see what's up. So I did. I went to Bedford, New Hampshire, Lexus. I went to the service department. I showed them the VIN number, and they printed up a piece of paper saying what the repairs were. They claim that they did the repairs for the suspension and the motor mounts fine. But was there a miscommunication on the oil filter, not the oil filter, the oil pan gasket? They're saying that he did not have that done. Meanwhile, the previous owner is showing me all the receipts proving that it was done. And we're gonna go Friday morning to confront them and see what's going on. So that's gonna be part of the video, upcoming videos anyways. So I am in a dilemma. The car does need a power brake booster. When you step on the brake, it works all the time, obviously, but sometimes when you get to a red light, you'll feel a little, just a sign of a power brake booster. Not a big deal. I actually have one that came with the car. So I wanna do that. Do I wanna do the struts? I don't know. But other than that, it runs and drives the way it should from 2002. So I want to thank my friend Kevin at Junior Speed and Tire up in Manchester, New Hampshire for helping me out. And we will do that video at Lexus coming up Friday. And upcoming videos, I did get the car detailed. I did the headlights. They came out fantastic, so that's a separate video. My 2007 BMW M6 convertible, I just have to do the last video talking about the pros and cons and my overall impressions. I did buy another vehicle this week, so that will be a video coming up in the future. And I'm also trying to buy another vehicle that I've been working on for the past 2 or 3 weeks. We've been waiting for the title, so I should be having that soon. That's gonna be a fun one if I get it. Other than that, guys, thank you for tuning in, and till the next video, Baldadonis out.